All right, we are back out at the Haw Creek Bike Park here to do another test flight with the next iteration of the Developer Micro. We still have a few more development updates to make. Most notably, we are swapping out the GPS with a Holybro unit we've been using for the Developer Mini. That will also get changed down the road, but for the time being, we just have it fixed with some VHB adhesive on the top cover as the top cover design is being updated. Let's go ahead and get her connected. We'll probably have to do a series of calibrations before we take off. We did a compass calibration in the workshop, which seemed to work out all right, but we may have to redo it now out in the field. Getting a green light. We should see the connection established here in QGroundControl automatically. All right, we have 7 satellites. Need about a dozen to take off in a loiter mode or an automated flight mode. The Legion was charged or charging, and I was trying to use it because it has the built-in controller. It was not wanting to cooperate, so it looks like PlayStation controller time instead. We have a mag field 1068, max 875. We may be able to get around this magnetic field message just by rotating the battery, but again, we may have to redo a compass calibration. I'm gonna try rotating the battery and see if we can bypass the magnetic interference without having to recalibrate. All right, one rotation. Instantly up to 10 satellites. Back down to 9. It did help a little bit seemingly. We're down to 953. The max of 875. Sensors, compass. All right, go ahead and hit OK. Where are we at roughly?
Like 90. All right, we're done. Same as before.
Same, like all the way in the red?
Yeah.
What the? Trying again in our favorite ground control program, Mission Planner. The preferred ground control program if you're looking to drop bombs or kamikaze Russian air bases. All right, do you want to start the compass calibration here in Mission Planner, and we'll see if we fare any better? Let me know when you started.
All right, now we're good.
Is it green, yellow, red? It's like a little box next to the compass. It's green. Mission Planner wouldn't lie to us. As much as I would like to just fly it using the iVue RoboControl app, the best ground control software out there, especially for any developer drone, we're going to verify we're ready to take off in QGroundControl first. All right. Heading looks somewhat correct. Let's go to plan flight. Let's clear any mission that's already saved on board. We look clear to take off. I am going to connect here in the iVue RoboControl app now. I am going to refresh the iVue RoboControl app. And why am I not getting data? Let me try the production version. And we're getting satellite information there. Saying we're not good to arm. Got B-Bro interfering with me. Yeah, so we have some connection issue, or at the very least some UI issue. So let's go back to QGroundControl. But you already had QGroundControl open. Why didn't you just fly in QGroundControl to begin with? Fine, I guess we'll be like everyone else. Fly with subpar software. All right. Just making sure joysticks are all set up. I'm gonna set my down on the D-pad to land flight mode. Both the select and start button are set to toggle arm, so I need to press both to perform the action. And I am going to make X or cross loiter mode. All right, so let's go ahead, set takeoff to 10 feet, and this should be an automated takeoff, and it should just hover in place if it's going to work correctly. So let's see, armed. Nope. I did see flight. Moments or, you know, minuscule moments of flight. Looks like the boom arm came out. I don't know if that was a result or a cause though, so maybe you watching already have a better idea, but we'll probably have to go back and review that video to see what happened. Again, no electronics damage, just a 3D printed boom arm coming out of the fuselage and then the 3D printed landing gear leg breaking. So very short-lived, but unless, Pranav, you have any other comments or questions to impart with these viewers, thanks for watching.